In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently shop using the Shein app. Now, this is a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you get the best experience and maybe even snag a good deal or two using some coupons. So, let's get started. First, we need to open the Shein app on your mobile device. Once you've located the app icon, give it a tap to open it up. Now, if you're already familiar with the app, you'll know that it typically takes you to the home page where you can browse the latest fashion trends, ongoing sales, and plenty of outfit inspiration. But today, we're going to dive right into shopping for a specific item. Next, it's time to choose an item. You can scroll through their endless collection of clothing, accessories, and more. But for today's example, I'll pick an item to illustrate the process. So imagine you found something you like, maybe a trendy dress or a pair of sneakers you've been eyeing. Just tap on the item to view more details. Here you see different options available, such as size, color variations, and sometimes customer reviews, which can really help you decide if this item is the right fit for you. Now, once you've made your choice and are satisfied with your selection, it's time to proceed with your purchase. You will see a button that says Check Out Now. Go ahead and tap on that. This will lead you to the shopping cart screen where you can review your order and ensure you've selected the right items, sizes, and quantities. As you prepare to finalize your purchase, there's a little space on the right side of your screen that can make a big difference to your wallet. Look for the option to enter a coupon code. This is where you can type in any discount codes you might have. Shein is known for its frequent sales and promotions, so if you've subscribed to their newsletters or have found a special promo code, now is the time to use it. Simply input your code, tap apply, and watch the savings reflect on your total. So that wraps up our guide on how to smoothly navigate the Shein app, choose your desired items, and apply those valuable coupon codes. Remember, shopping should be both enjoyable and financially savvy.